It's that time of the year again. Moments to cherish family, friends, food, and gifts. Many people love the holiday season. It's a time that many people appreciate all that they have and to share with others. Senior Sarah Pratt enjoys this time of the year because of time spent with family and the opportunity to celebrate the holidays.
I love Christmas. I think it's a great way to be involved with your family and all get together and share Christmas spirit with each other.
But is this really the holiday of giving and sharing? Some people look at the holidays as an opportunity to receive gifts. Over the time, the true meaning of Christmas has changed from giving to receiving, or at least for some people. Pratt does not believe gifts are necessary to be able to enjoy the holidays.
I don't think gifts are necessarily an important part of Christmas. I think the spirit of giving is a really neat thing to experience, but I also think it's more of your appreciation towards your family members and your friends and your willingness to share that with them and spread the love with that.
Sophomore Camille Brown agrees with the change over time and the priorities of the holiday.
I definitely think that it's more about the presents nowadays, because I go to church and everything, but I definitely think it's focused more towards what you get and what I get and presents and stuff.
To add to the change of the holiday, we have replaced Jesus with Santa Claus. Brown believes that we have elevated Santa Claus to a higher level than Jesus, and that we need to remember what Jesus did for us.
I definitely think that Santa Claus is fun, but we push Santa Claus up such to a high level that we also should push Jesus up there and just remind the kids that it's not just about presents.
The priorities of the holidays have shifted, but for now, we can call this a Grady Christmas. Reporting from WBUC, I'm Jocelyn Freeman.